In this video we will be seeing different ways to concatenate two lists. So first we will be using the plus operator. Okay. So let's make a list 1. And let's make another list, list 2. Okay. Now we'll make a list underscore joint. Let's make list underscore 1 plus list underscore 2. Okay. Let's print the list underscore joint. So you can see the concatenated list using the plus operator. So let's use the iterable unpacking operator, that is char. Okay, so the list will remain the same. So let's make the list joint and we'll assign star list 1 and then star list underscore 2. Let's print the list underscore joint. So you can see the same output. So star operator allows unpacking inside the list or tuple. So let's say an example of unique values. Okay. So list underscore joint equals list and then set of list 1 plus list 2. Okay, so let's print the list underscore joint. So here you can see the joint list. So if you want the unique items for concatenated list, you can use list method and set method. So set method selects the unique value and list method converts the set into list. So now let's use the extend. Okay, so list underscore 2 dot extend list underscore 1. Okay, so let's print the list underscore 2. So you can see here using extend method you can concatenate a list to another list